Hey guys, okay, so sorry I was not like vlogging this morning, etc. But I am at Alamo Square and I'm meeting up with some friends that I made yesterday at the walking tour, and we're gonna go try to find the house from Full House. Apparently like the outside of it was like filmed here, so I need to go find my friends. We made it. I found friends. I wasn't lost. Okay, so behind me are these like 6 houses.
Are the painted ladies.
Okay, so like, oh, okay, because I saw like the thing on Google Maps, like what's painted ladies? Oh, so like those are all the houses. Let me switch. Do you think there's like, so there's actual people that live there?
They do.
Yeah, because we just saw like
They're like $1 million homes.
Oh,
Oh my god, they're on. Someone lives there.
Seriously? Okay.
Yeah, and she's like on the stairs.
Oh my god! I'm like, where's Kimmy? This
I
is
know,
amazing.
Where's
This is amazing. But they all look exactly the same.
Yeah. And
That's so
apparently
weird.
The Full House is not here.
Like the inside?
Like the one they actually like yeah.
Oh.
Apparently everyone thinks it's part of the Painted Ladies, but it's actually on a different street somewhere like a mile from here.
Wow.
Yeah.
Interesting. I mean, okay, so we're like at the house, at the actual Full House house, I think. Does this look like the Full House house to you guys? Okay, let me flip you guys around.
I don't know. I know. That was shot. Sorry.
So this is the Full House house, I guess. What were the houses before?
Huh?
The houses like before. They were not the Full House houses? Like near the Alamo Square?
Oh, those are the pink, not pink, those are the painted
The
ladies.
painted ladies, okay.
Yeah.
So this is the actual Full House
This is
house.
the actual Full House. But the door used to be red.
Yeah. Amazing. Do you think anyone actually lives there? Or do you think they just like sold it?
I don't know. Because that's no, because I don't. It looks empty, doesn't it?
Yeah, and
Yeah.
there's that notice on the door.
Oh wait, not Kimmy. What's her name? DJ.
DJ. And Stephanie?
It's
Michelle?
Stephanie and Michelle.
Yeah.
Uncle Jesse in the basement.
Yeah.
Like, no. Uncle Jesse, right?
Is it Uncle Joey?
Uncle Joey.
Which one was in the attic?
One did live in the. Did they both live there?
Maybe that was after he got married and he moved in
with his
wife.
Yeah,
they lived in the
Becky
attic.
with
Yeah,
Becky.
yeah.
And they had their twins?
Yeah, they lived in the
Yeah.
attic.
Yeah.
I remember that.
Hey guys.
Cute.
Awesome. Left at the Full House house, and then we stopped and got like some bubble tea because Angelica was like, well, let's just like look on Yelp, and I'm like, oh, that makes sense, because like my idea was like go all the way back to Chinatown, but like much better. Amazing. Okay guys, I just got to the Museum of Modern Arts. I'm gonna go check that out for a little bit. So Angelica and Kike decided to go karting across the bridge, like the Golden Gate Bridge. I kind of chickened out, so I decided to do a museum for a little bit, and then afterwards we're gonna meet up and go for drinks. So I'll take you guys inside and show you around the museum. I don't understand what I'm looking at. I think I may have wasted $25. That looks like a taco shell. This also looks like a taco shell. So I decided to take a little break from being artsy fartsy, and I got a donut and a glass of water, and there's like a little cafe with like a little terrace type of thing. So I'm gonna sit here for a little bit and eat my donut and maybe read a bit more of my book. Good plan. I found Waldo. Hi guys, so we're in Chinatown now. We just are in front of the Golden Gate Fortune Cookie Factory. They like literally make fortune cookies here like by hand. And today is like, it's Saturday, so I think it's still Lunar New Year. So there's a lot of like firecrackers going off and stuff. So I took some footage of inside. So I'm gonna just show you guys a little bit on the outside too. Place called Delicious Dim Sum. I got like 8 giant pieces of dim sum for like $8. This is Dave's. It looks so good. I can't wait to try mine. Hey guys, sorry I forgot to do a proper end off with this vlog. So the Painted Ladies and the Full House and the MoMA were from Friday and the Chinatown experience was on Saturday. So make sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can know whenever I post a new video. And also check down in the description box to enter my giveaway. This is open until March 14th and is international, so go check that out.